Hi guys! So today we're cleaning our makeup brushes. Did you know that besides bacteria, brushes can also accumulate dead skin cells and oil, which can clog your pores and lead to dull and broken out skin. Even the best makeup can become streaky and patchy when applied with a dirty brush. So for this, we will need any dish soap. In this case, I'm using biodegradable and hypoallergenic soap. And also you will need some olive oil and any bowl or plate you have, and if you have a mat for cleaning makeup brushes. If not, that's fine, we'll use our hand. Also, I like to use a towel right next to the sink to put my brushes on. So first we will put a dish soap, around 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil to condition our brushes, and a little bit of oil. You soak it in and you start swirl it around in your mat or on your hand, whichever you prefer and whichever you have available. When you're rinsing, make sure you're facing the brush down and not up, because over here there is a glue inside and all your bristles will fall apart if you put any water inside. So the same technique as you were washing the brush, you rinse it in the water and just swirl it around until the water runs nice and clean. And now we're all done. So I like to shape my brushes and squeeze some excess water with the towel or with the hand. After it's done, leave it to dry until next morning. Thank you for watching. Bye!